Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI and how you can leverage it to make money. So let's get started with our top AI money-making hacks right away. Welcome to my channel, I'm Mel. Let's dive into AI-powered freelancing. In today's fast-paced digital world, freelancing has become a popular career choice for many. With the advent of AI, this field has seen a significant transformation, making it easier and more efficient for freelancers to manage their work and increase their productivity. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are booming with opportunities. These platforms have become the go-to places for freelancers to find work, connect with clients, and showcase their skills. The integration of AI into these platforms has further enhanced their functionality, making it easier for freelancers to find the right jobs and for clients to find the right talent. Use AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai to generate high-quality content quickly. These tools are designed to assist freelancers in creating content that is not only engaging, but also optimized for search engines. Whether you are a writer, marketer, or business strategist, these AI tools can help you produce top-notch content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. These tools can help you write articles, create marketing copy, and even generate business ideas. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can brainstorm ideas, draft content, and even suggest improvements. This is the power of AI in freelancing. It allows you to focus on the creative aspects of your work while the AI handles the more mundane tasks. This not only saves you time, but also increases the volume of work you can take on. By automating repetitive tasks, AI tools free up your time, allowing you to take on more projects and increase your earnings. This is particularly beneficial for freelancers who juggle multiple clients and deadlines. Here's how you can use Jasper.ai to create an engaging blog post in minutes. Start by inputting your topic or a few keywords related to your subject. Jasper.ai will then generate a draft based on your input, complete with relevant information and a coherent structure. Simply input your topic, and the AI does the rest. You can then review the draft, make any necessary edits, and finalize your post. This process is not only quick, but also ensures that your content is of high quality and tailored to your audience. This can significantly boost your productivity and income. By leveraging AI tools, you can deliver more value to your clients, meet tight deadlines, and ultimately grow your freelancing business. The future of freelancing is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace these tools and watch your career soar to new heights. Next, let's talk about creating and selling AI art. This is an exciting new frontier where technology meets creativity, allowing anyone to become an artist. With tools like DALL-E and Midjourney, you can create stunning digital artwork without needing advanced artistic skills. These AI tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to dive into the world of digital art. Simply input your ideas and watch as the AI transforms them into beautiful pieces of art. These artworks can be sold on platforms like Etsy or as NFTs on various marketplaces. The rise of NFTs has opened up new opportunities for digital artists, allowing them to monetize their creations in ways that were not possible before. By minting your AI-generated art as NFTs, you can reach a global audience and potentially earn significant income. Check out this incredible piece generated with DALL-E. The level of detail and creativity that AI can achieve is truly remarkable. Each piece is unique, reflecting the specific inputs and preferences you provide to the AI. It's as simple as describing what you want, and the AI brings your vision to life. Whether you want a surreal landscape, a futuristic cityscape, or an abstract design, the possibilities are endless. The AI interprets your descriptions and generates artwork that matches your vision. You can then list your creations on marketplaces and start earning. Platforms like Etsy, OpenSea, and Rarible are great places to showcase and sell your AI art. Make sure to market your art effectively by using social media and engaging with potential buyers. With the right strategy, you can turn your passion for AI art into a profitable venture. Another great hack is automating your social media management. In today's fast-paced digital world, maintaining an active and engaging social media presence can be incredibly time-consuming. However, with the right tools and strategies, you can streamline this process and focus on other important aspects of your business or personal life. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Later can schedule posts, analyze engagement, and optimize your content strategy. These platforms offer a variety of features that make managing multiple social media accounts a breeze. From scheduling posts in advance to tracking the performance of your content, these tools provide valuable insights that can help you refine your social media strategy. AI can help you understand the best times to post, the type of content your audience loves, and even generate posts for you. By leveraging artificial intelligence, you can gain a deeper understanding of your audience's preferences and behaviors. This allows you to create more targeted and effective content that resonates with your followers. With Buffer, you can plan your entire week's content in one sitting. Imagine having all your posts for the week scheduled and ready to go, freeing you up to focus on other tasks. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your social media presence remains consistent and engaging. This automation frees up your time and ensures your social media presence is always active and engaging. By automating your social media management, you can maintain a strong online presence without the constant need to manually post and monitor your accounts. This is especially beneficial for busy professionals and businesses looking to maximize their efficiency and productivity. So, take advantage of these tools and let automation handle the heavy lifting for you. AI is revolutionizing e-commerce. From chatbots that enhance customer service to AI-driven product recommendations, the possibilities are endless. Implementing AI tools like Shopify's Kit or conversational AI like Drift can increase sales and improve customer experience. Look at how easy it is to set up a chatbot on Shopify. It can handle customer queries, recommend products, and even process orders, making your e-commerce business more efficient. Investing can be daunting, but AI can simplify it. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront use AI to create personalized investment plans based on your goals and risk tolerance. AI tools can analyze market trends and optimize your portfolio in real time. Here's how Betterment works. After answering a few questions about your financial goals, it provides a tailored investment strategy. The AI continuously monitors and adjusts your investments, ensuring your money is working hard for you. AI can also help you grow your YouTube channel. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ use AI to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better searchability. Additionally, AI video editing software like Magisto can help you create professional quality videos quickly. VidIQ analyzes your channel and suggests the best keywords to use. This can increase your visibility on YouTube and attract more viewers to your content. Those are our top AI money-making hacks for you. By leveraging these powerful tools, you can boost your productivity, create new income streams, and achieve success in your ventures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.